Wellbeing of Future Generations Act is all about making sure that the decisions we take today are done in the interests of future generations. We wanted to develop this cohort of future leaders who were going to be champions for the things that the Future Generations Act requires. So disrupting the status quo, understanding the connections between social, economic, environmental and cultural wellbeing, and really being in a position whereby they could drive some of that change within their own organisations and within a kind of wider context in Wales.
And one of the things that I wanted to learn is how do you bring people along with you with this sort of journey of leadership? How do you sort of convince people to sort of believe in your ideas and to bring them along and also listen to them and respect them? So I wanted to join the Academy to sort of prepare me to be the best future leader that I could be and to sort of bring those people with me, and hopefully the problems that we do have in Wales won't be problems one day and we will have found the solutions. What's been good about this sort of programme, I've been able to try new things and not be afraid to fail. I think in the past I've been kind of afraid to fail and think, oh, that's really bad. Whereas now I actually think, do you know what, to fail isn't a bad thing. You learn from those mistakes and you apply them again in the future.
Another really good bit about the Academy is learning about yourself and learning about your leadership style and how you can work better with other people. I'm lucky enough in my role to get to work with our youth commissioners who represent youth voice at a senior management level, and I've been able to take my learning and really help them on their leadership journeys.
O ran y gefnogaeth dwi wedi gael ymhellach wedyn, mae Libby a Jack a Powd wedi bod yn wych. Maen nhw wastad yna drwy e-bost, drwy ffôn, os dwi isio nhw'n lle. Ond na, maen nhw wedi bod yn gefnogol ofnadwy.
We've done stuff on communication, co-production. We've listened to some fantastic speakers from all across the world, which is the great powerful thing to do with sort of online technology now, like Zoom. But I felt like I've learned a lot about myself as well and how to sort of interact and engage with other people, sort of like my personality types, what I like to see, but how to sort of get the best out of other people who may not learn in the same way as you. So we've kind of been on that massive journey.
Mae'r rhaglen wedi bod yn wych. O'n i'm yn disgwyl fod effeithio arno fi gymaint fatha person. Dwi jyst wedi datblygu gymaint o sgiliau, gymaint o hyder allan o'r broses. Dwi rioed wedi gweld fy hun fatha arweinydd o reidrwydd, ond mae o wedi gwneud fi werthfawrogi gymaint mwy be ydy arweinydd. Dydy o ddim jyst am yr un persona, mae o am y cydweithio, mae o am pawb yn ceisio ei barn hefyd. Felly mae jyst wedi bod yn agoriad llygad mawr i fi, a dwi jyst mor werthfawrogol o'r cyfle.